Hi guys. Today I'm going to do something new. It's called Shou-Sugi-Ban. That probably called cedar, but I don't have cedar, so I'm going to use camphor wood. I saw on the internet. It's a YouTube channel called Love of the Grain Workshop, and I got the idea from them. It's not my personal. It's all Japanese style. So I'm trying to do something else. I'm trying to do a bowl or a vase that will get the same effect. I like the effect actually, and let's see how it works. This time I'm sending only up to 400. You'll see a little bit later why. I'm not going all the way to 600, and I'm not putting polish inside. Don't worry, don't worry, don't need for the fire department, under control. And the air pipe that you see on the right, it looks like it's very close, but it's actually quite far away. So don't worry about it, it's not going to catch a light. Uh, so my camera just picked up, so I decided to do something new. I'm putting two cameras, and I'm putting it via computer with a video capture for two cameras. And let's see how this one will pan out. Hopefully, it will be much better than it was before. And if you don't like it, let me know that you don't like the new system of the cameras, and I'll try to revert back to the old one. As I go more deeper, I'm increasing the red in the color. So it will become orangey, yellowish on the outside and quite reddish in the end. I'll put three coats of resin I'll let it dry before that completely dry. So that will be like a 3 day exercise. Of course, I connected my slow revving motor. It gives me 6 RPMs. So the resin will settle himself and level himself. I hope you like the one on the right corner over there. It's from the top. It could see what I'm doing. I'm using a torch. Let's remove the bubbles there with the torch. Um, I found out that I saw it from other jobs that they do on YouTube. With a torch, they remove the bubbles. And my third and last one, I'm also putting resin on the inside of the bowl, of the vase. For this Black Friday, I treat myself and I bought a parting tool from Blackline Tools. It's not a carbine. I think it's a carbine covered with diamond, and I wanted that long ago, and I just bought it, and it cuts magical. I just can't find anything else that cuts as nice as that. Hi, so this is my take on the Shou-Sugi-Ban, the Japanese art of burning wood and putting paint on it, and I'm putting resin on it. I hope you can see the burned marks inside below underneath the resin. Came out quite nice. It was my first try. Next one I'll probably burn it more, sandpaper it, and then burn it again. So the grooves that you're getting from burning wood, it will be stronger, and probably I'm going to use a different wood also, because this one wood, the camphor doesn't burn so nice. So inside, I spread it with airbrush, and I gave it the texture redder from the inside and going out like some flames, and that's why I'm going to call it. That's why I'm calling it "Saved from the Ashes." Hope you enjoyed it. Oh yes, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here? No, maybe here. Wait, here. Subscribe to my channel. Comment at the bottom. As you could see on my previous YouTube videos, I'm replying to everybody, and I'm getting great ideas. And my next project actually is it's a combination of few ideas that I got from you guys that I put together, and I'm working on it. So thank you very much. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.